Are you planning to start your own coffee shop or milk tea business? Or elevate your menu and flavors? We've got you covered with the best barista training we offer. These skills will surely bring your business to the next level, wherein you'll be learning more techniques, beverage innovation, marketing strategies, and more. Our barista coach has years of experience with a specialty in coffee and milk tea, and has trained baristas that cater to popularly known shops, hotels, and cafes in the country.
Malaking factor din talaga ang customer service na binibigay ng Top Creamery.
Actually, I've learned a lot, especially with the techniques, mga do's and don'ts.
Ang dami ka palang pwedeng gawin sa Top Creamery.
Because the owners are trained international. They're well familiar with international tastes.
They're very friendly and approachable, very professional.
Masarap siya and iba talaga yung quality ng Top Creamery.
Yes, I would highly recommend Top Creamery for everyone.
I definitely recommend Top Creamery's business training in general, and I am very much contented with the result. And I can say that I am now ready to start my cafe business. So thank you, Top Creamery.
Learn more through the link below. What are you waiting for? Join us now.